Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, higher highs and higher lows, so certainly updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning here, just delete these lines out. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, and that rule states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the newest ideal level of support right there at 0.045. Ideal meaning for Ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best moving forward? Ideally speaking, sure, if the price can stay above 0.045, that would be fantastic. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a fantastic sign of strength moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword definitely being moving. I understand the price is way up here, this line's way down here, but as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, I'm going to have to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit, as you're about to see here, which is always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. But the next key level to keep an eye on moving forward, what is that? Right up there at 0.056. So let me change that to red to represent resistance. So 0.056, public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, at the end of the day, as long as this thing continues to build those higher bases, which it's been doing, that is by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.